Hello, my name is Travis Huggins for Anatomy and Physiology 2 Lab. This is Module 1, and this is the first of the two questions. We're looking at the pituitary gland. So, pituitary gland is broken into the anterior and the posterior pituitary. Posterior does not actually produce any hormones, but it stores hormones that are produced by the hypothalamus. So we're going to look at a couple of the hormones that are actually produced by the anterior pituitary. First, we have the adrenocorticotropic hormone, also known as ACTH, which is significantly easier to say. This one targets the adrenals, so the adrenal glands down by the kidneys. Its main function is to stimulate the adrenal gland to produce the hormone called cortisol. Next, we have the thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH, which, as you could guess, stimulates the thyroid. It targets the thyroid. Its main purpose is to stimulate the thyroid gland so that in turn will secrete the hormone called thyroxine. Next, we have the luteinizing hormone, LH, and also the same group of it is the follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. These both target the gonads, so the ovaries in women and the testes in men. They control reproductive functioning, basically sexual characteristics. They also stimulate the ovaries to produce both estrogen and progesterone. The testes will then be also stimulated to produce testosterone, or a chemical that binds to it and makes it more potent. The next one we have is prolactin, which targets the breasts or the mammary glands. It stimulates them to produce milk. It's especially secreted during pregnancy or when the baby is suckling. And last but not least, we have growth hormone, which is very, very important, as we learned in Anatomy 101, or the previous anatomy class, also known as GH. This one targets many cells in the body, including skeletal and muscle tissue. It has a plethora of purposes, but predominantly it stimulates growth and repair. And that is all of the hormones that are produced by the pituitary gland.